as the world moves forward. Some follow the rules, others redefine them. From the first line of code to the first machine, SKYCUT was founded on a belief: every cut should be the art of precision. We focus on R&D and manufacturing of intelligent cutting systems, providing customized cutting solutions for screen protectors, DIY craft creation, and post-printing die cutting. We innovate without boundaries around core function and intelligent interaction. From key components to core technologies to hardware-software integration, we deliver complete one-stop solutions. We provide an end-to-end service that drives sustainable business value. Focus, stability, innovation. SKYCUT line is customer-focused and service-driven. We believe quality is earned only through rigorous testing. That's why SKYCUT founded an industry-leading quality center, offering accredited testing, reliability trials, and technical consulting. We validate and optimize every critical module to ensure consistency and stability across all units. We advance quality practices, build standards, and help shape a high-quality market ecosystem. Precision manufacturing drives global smart cutting equipment upgrade. No incoming, no in-process, and no outgoing defects. Equipped with an automatic aging test line, automated, visualized, and data-driven testing, ensuring consistent quality across all shipped units. Flexible line scheduling to meet global customization needs, empowering global markets with precision manufacturing. Made in China, chosen worldwide. SKYCUT, delivering world-class quality to the world.